Welcome. If you want to stay ahead in your job search, enabling in-app notifications for job alerts on LinkedIn is a must. With the latest LinkedIn update, the process is easier than ever, and you'll never miss an opportunity that matches your skills and interests. Let's walk through the simple steps to turn on in-app job notifications using your PC. First, open your browser and head to the LinkedIn website. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture, and it opens up a menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage everything from your privacy to your notifications. Next, find and click on the Notifications tab. This section lets you control how LinkedIn keeps you updated about important activities, including job alerts. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Searching for a Job. Under this, click on Job Alerts. Here, you'll see the different ways LinkedIn can notify you about new job postings that fit your preferences. To make sure you get notified directly within LinkedIn, look for the option labeled In-App Notifications. Toggle this option on. Now, whenever a job alert matches your criteria, you'll receive a notification right inside LinkedIn, making it easy to act fast and apply. That's it. You've successfully enabled in-app notifications for job alerts on LinkedIn. From now on, LinkedIn will keep you in the loop about new opportunities, so you can focus on landing your next role. If you ever want to adjust your preferences, simply return to the notifications settings and update your choices. Make sure your job search is efficient and proactive by keeping your notifications up to date. Good luck with your job hunt, and don't forget to check your LinkedIn notifications regularly for the latest alerts.